Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dashboard filters in Salesforce. If you want to quickly pinpoint trends and gain insights without wading through mountains of data, adding filters is a game changer. Let's jump in and make your dashboards more powerful and interactive. First, navigate to your dashboards. You can do this via the app launcher or the navigation bar, whichever feels easier. Once you're there, locate the dashboard where you want to add filters and click to open it. With the dashboard open, hit the Edit button to switch into the dashboard builder. At the top right, you'll see a plus filter option. Click it to start creating your filter. The first step is choosing the field you want to filter by. Make sure this field exists across all the reports in your dashboard. Common choices are opportunity stage, owner, or region, depending on what insights you want to highlight. Next, give your filter a display name. This is the label users will see when interacting with the dashboard, so make it intuitive and informative. After that, select an operator like equals, contains, or starts with. This determines how your filter behaves and helps you refine the data effectively. Now it's time to define the filter values. These should match the field you selected. For instance, if your field is opportunity stage, you might include values like prospecting or closed won. These options let users quickly filter the dashboard to focus on what matters most. Once your filter is set up, click Apply to test it and see how it interacts with your data. Remember, Salesforce allows up to 3 filters per dashboard, so you can add more if you need additional flexibility. When you're happy with your filters, click Save to preserve all your changes, and that's it. Adding dashboard filters in Salesforce is simple, but it can make a huge difference in analyzing your data efficiently. Start experimenting with filters to uncover the insights that matter most for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy filtering!